How to see Snapchat storage. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome to Login Helps. In today's video, I'm gonna teach you how you can see your Snapchat storage. Now before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also, press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. So let's dive right into it. The first step is you will need to update your Snapchat to the latest version. So head over to your Play Store, then search for Snapchat. After you search for Snapchat, make sure that you've updated it to the latest version. If you see an update button available, you can press on update and then update your app. Now what you'll need to do is head over to your settings. After you've done that, scroll till you see the apps option. Tap on apps. After you're on your apps, if you see Snapchat right here, you can tap on Snapchat. If you don't find it, tap on see all apps. Then search for Snapchat. There we go. Now you can see the Snapchat storage right below Snapchat. There you can see my Snapchat takes up 864 MB. If you don't see it, open Snapchat up from here. And from here, you can see how much storage it takes. So you can see storage and cache right there. If you press on it, you can see the total app size, the user data, cache, and the total storage. And that's how you can see your Snapchat storage. Thanks for watching, guys. That is basically it for today's video. Stay tuned for more upcoming tutorial videos, and bye-bye. Take care.